Safe in the Game, and today in the other video I've gone Pokemon hunting and got Pikachu, and today we got 4 more Pikachus. So let's unbox it for you. Get out! Get out! This is going to be awkward. So now we've got out the package. Let's have a closer look. So let's look at the basic one, and he's like in a running pose. Here's close up. Next we have got I Love You. Next we've got Sleepy Time, I like to call it.
Can't see. Everyone can't see that one. Put your hand out.
Here you go.
Okay.
Where's our next one? Where is it?
Raspberry.
Oh, and last but not least we've got Raspberry. So I've got my Pokeball ready to catch him. Where are you? Let's see if we get some. Get him. Got him. Got you. But I think it's worth because he's like 1,000. So it's worth it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like, never leave, subscribe. Peace out, chickens.